Today is day 16 of the Silkyara rescue operations. Over the past 16 days, the rescuers have faced many issues and in fact have failed on many points as well. But at this point in time, an all-round 24/7 effort is being made to make sure that all these people are taken out with safety. But yes, today, if I could just move out of the frame and I will try and show you, the locals in this area have conducted a havan right outside the Silkyara end of the tunnel, basically trying to please the gods and the local legends, as they say, basically trying to please them and asking them to finally come to the rescue of all these workers who are stuck inside this tunnel for the last 16 days. At this point in time, the rescue operations is on from various directions, but the closest that we have been able to get to the position where these people are stuck is through the Silkyara end of the tunnel. It is estimated that approximately in another 8 to 10 meters they will be able to reach the place where these people are stuck, and that 800mm diameter pipe will be able to make the breakthrough. For that, what needs to be done at this point in time? The experts have found out that the easiest way to do this is through rat hole mining technique and manual drilling. Remember, over the last 48 hours, what has happened is that the vertical drilling process has started, but if you see the kind of progress that was supposed to be made inside the 800mm pipe, that has not happened. All this because of one mistake that has made sure that this entire operation is pushed back by days. That one mistake was the wrong reading of the ground penetrating radar. Because remember, the ground penetrating radar had suggested it to the experts that over the next 5.5 meters, that is from the 48-meter mark to the next 5.5 meter, there is no heavy metal object, and that became the cause of all these problems that we are seeing today. Basically, the rescuers said that if there is no metal parts, then they can actually put more pressure on the auger drilling machine so that the entire process of going through the debris could happen at a faster pace. And that is what happened. They put in more pressure, and in approximately 2.2 meters, they found out heavy metal parts that were present inside the debris. And now, since the auger machine was moving with so much pressure, the entire debris got tangled in that machine, which meant that the 800mm diameter pipe also got affected. Approximately 1.9 meter of that pipe has gotten affected, and the head of the auger machine got stuck inside the debris. So over the last 48 to 60 hours, what has happened? Basically, the rescuers have gotten special machines from Hyderabad. These are plasma cutter machines and laser cutter machines. These machines have gone ahead and cut through the auger machine driller and have pulled them out. But the head of that auger driller is still very much inside the debris. What does this mean? This means that this entire operation will continue to get delayed because the rat hole mining process could not start until and unless that head of the auger machine is removed from the debris along with the metal pieces that are present inside. The process of removing that is ongoing at this point in time, and simultaneously the process of cutting out the pipe that got damaged because of the because of the debris that got inside, that is also going on. The 1.9 meter pipe, at least 1 meter pipe has been cut out from that. Another 0.9 meters needs to be cut out, and once all this process comes to an end, then the rat hole mining process will start. Now, the rescuers are optimistic that whenever they get that opportunity to start with the rat hole mining, then optimistically it is going to take them 24 hours, and pessimistically it is going to take them 36 hours for that entire operation to come to an end. But remember, this is not the only way through which the rescuers are trying to take out the workers who are now stuck inside for the last 16 days. Another method that is gaining a lot of progress is the vertical drilling mission. Basically, two pipes are being drilled into. The first is an 8-inch pipe. This 8-inch pipe is being drilled into to find out the exact terrain of the mountain and how feasible it is to actually drill a larger 1.2 meter diameter pipe through that. At this point in time, the drilling of that, in fact the boring is the right term for that 8-inch pipe, has gone inside approximately to the mark of 75 meters. It needs to reach the 86 meter mark before any breakthrough could be made, whereas the larger 1.2 meter diameter pipe has in fact reached the 30 meter mark safely at this point in time. Now, once it crosses the 45 meter mark, another machine will be used, and this machine that is being used to vertical drill, this machine will be stopped and another machine will be used because of the larger capacity of that machine. Experts are saying that it is going to take them somewhere around 100 hours to actually go ahead and complete this entire operation of vertical drilling. At this point in time, at least 30 hours have passed by. In another 70 hours, we are expecting that breakthrough to happen through the vertical method. But yes, the best and the fastest way still is through the rat hole mining. When will that start? That is a big question mark. But yes, at this point in time, work is ongoing to make sure that the metal parts of the auger machine that is stuck inside the debris, that is cut through, and post that we can expect that the rat hole mining will start. On the other hand, if we speak about the condition of the workers as the rescuers are claiming, are absolutely fine. Their mental health is fine. Food for at least a week has been stocked up inside the tunnel itself. So yes, that is something that is giving a lot of confidence to the rescuers, because they are seeing that since there is no immediate threat to their lives, and hence they do not want to botch up this entire operation by getting out of patience. And that is the reason why we are seeing that the entire pace of this operation is going at a very calculated and slow speed. The million-dollar question that still remains is, when will we finally see these people coming out from the tunnel safely? That question at this point in time, no one is ready to answer. With video journalist Vikas Rawat, this is Anshul Singh for CNN News 18.